how to reactivate Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'm simply going to be guiding you on how you can reactivate your Facebook account, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to reactivate our Facebook account, let's say that you happen to simply deactivate your account before, right? And now you want to gain access back into that account. It's not really that difficult, because in order to reactivate that account, you just need to log into that account. Yes, you heard it right. You just need to log into that account, and it's as simple as that. Sometimes it may ask you for a confirmation as to whether you want to reactivate, or sometimes it will just directly log you in without doing anything. So first of all, just go ahead and open the Facebook application. Go to the login screen and enter the email and password. In my case, I already have a specific account saved, or if not, then you can just tap on the login to another account button. So go ahead and then simply enter the email as well as the password of the specific account that you want to log in. So let me also go ahead and then do that respectively. So when you simply enter your email and password, all you have to do is just click on the login option over here. And basically when you just click on the login option, if your details are correct, it will ask you to successfully sign into your account. As you can see, just like that, without doing anything, I'm successfully signed into my Facebook account. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then reactivate your Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.